Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to separate eggs, how to separate the yolk from the white. You may be wanting to do it to make a rich chocolate mousse, or you may need yolks for lemon curd or egg whites for meringue, and you haven't done it before, you've done it but you just want a bit of a refresher how to separate eggs. I will show you that in this video, and I'll leave a blog post down below where I've got photos and explanation to go along with the tutorial, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you like these kinds of videos, if you want more tutorials this year. And yes, I've had my hair cut. It was just the other day I had my hair cut. I'm still kind of getting used to it. Oh, it's so different. So yeah, I thought I would just come on and talk you through. Let me know if you want more videos like this, more tutorials. As I said, I've got all kinds of different ideas planned for 2020, and one was to do just some back to basics tutorials. So I've got a few ideas. Let me know what you think, but let me show you how to separate eggs. Starting off with getting everything out and organized. Have your eggs handy, ready to go. I like using a big bowl for my whites, a smaller bowl for my yolks, because I'm actually separating these to make a chocolate mousse, which I've shared the recipe for in the past. I'll leave it in the information cards and down below for you, so you can make this lovely chocolate mousse that I'm just going to be separating the eggs for in this video. So what I'm going to do is, pop the whites into the big bowl. Now I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe, so I'm quite happy just living dangerously and being brave and doing them separate like this. If you're doing a recipe that has something like 7 eggs, there's a chocolate chiffon cake that I make sometimes. I will separate them one at a time, so if anything goes wrong, I don't have to redo all 7 eggs. My mom is more brave than me and will do all 7 in one go, but I like to separate it out. So let me just move the eggs out the way so you can see what I am doing. So I've got the bowl for the whites, bowl for the yolks, and there's a couple of different methods for separating the eggs. First, just use the edge, or you could use a fork or a knife or the edge of a countertop to just gently crack it. Don't want to kind of pierce all the way through. And then once you've got a crack, you crack it open, let the white fall down, and then you use your shell. As long as it's not too jagged, use the shell and gently pass the yolk from one shell to the other. Just gently pass it between, trying to get all of that white into the bowl, and the yolk kind of just stays in the shell. And once you're happy that you feel like you've got all of the white separated from the yolk, pop the yolk into one bowl, and you have a yolk in one bowl and a white in the other. And just a couple of troubleshooting tips: if you get any eggshell into the egg white, use the eggshell. It's kind of like a magnet. Use the eggshell to scoop up anything that you get, and it should be quite easy to do. As well as if you do get any bits of yolk into your egg white, just again, it acts like a magnet. Use the eggshell to just really gently scoop it up, and you should be good. And another method for separating eggs, make sure you have super clean hands for this one. So separate the egg as before, so gently crack the egg, break it open, and then discard one of the shells. Take the yolk, pop it into your hand, so just shake it around. You can move it between your hands as well. Once you're happy, pop the yolk into the bowl, and then keep going with your eggy hands. But I'm going to be doing 4 of them for this recipe, so I'll just do another one each way just so you can see it. Just kind of taking my time. Just take your time with it. And another suggestion I have is, if you've never separated eggs before, I'll just pour this one into my hand. If you've never separated eggs before, think about doing it if you're making a scrambled egg or omelette, because there's no pressure of getting 4 perfectly separated eggs. When you're making an omelette, it doesn't really matter. You can whisk them all together, and if you make any mistakes, you can just whisk it all together, make an omelette, make a scrambled eggs, and start again. And the final one I've kind of been passing between, and it's got a couple of photos. So yeah, the white is on that side, we've got the perfect yolk here, we've got all the white off. So I'll pop the yolk into the bowl, and now we have 4 beautifully separated whites from the yolk, and I'm going to make up a chocolate mousse. I'm just going to whip up the egg whites and with the chocolate mousse, with the egg yolks, mix them into some melted chocolate and butter. But as I said, I'll leave a link down below to that recipe as well, so if you want to make chocolate mousse now that you know how to separate eggs, you can do that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your thoughts on tutorial videos like this. If you've got any other kind of tips or hints you'd like me to share in the kitchen, let me know. I'm happy to film some tutorials for you this year. But thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.